So this is a sewer inspection for 488 Coleman in the city of Altadena, and right now this is the sewer clean out, which is 3 inches, and this is actually under the house, and here is the crawl space right there, and this is how you get to the clean out. You actually have to get under the house to inspect the sewer, so it's very tricky to actually do this. And as you can see, as soon as we put our camera in the clean out, it's half full of debris right there. So we'll go ahead and push the camera in. I might have to clean it a few times. So as you can see, the counter in the bottom right is actually going up. We're now at 38 feet and we still can't see anything inside the sewer pipe. It's got a lot of debris inside, so I'm going to keep pushing the camera in as far as I can, and then I'll get some water running. See if we can get the debris pushed out of the way. So as you can see here, we still can't see. Push the camera out now to 50 feet, and it won't actually go any further. So I'm going to try again a few more times, and then I'll get some water running, see if I can help maybe push some of this debris out of the way.